guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing this makeup look on my eyes together using Star Crushed Minerals. They were kind enough to send over a bunch of goodies. So yeah, we are going to be using all of those goodies they sent over to create this look on our eyes. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. A little fun backstory, Star Crushed Minerals was actually the very first company that ever sent me any kind of makeup care package or PR. So I owe a lot of my makeup journey to them. I started off with hardly any makeup, and the makeup that I did have was very minimal. I barely had any extra money at the time to be spending it on makeup. So by them sending me my very first care package, it helped so much, you guys. And I was able to get noticed by more and more companies through them and through their reposting of my makeup looks. And yeah, here we are today. So yeah, I owe a lot of my makeup journey to Star Crushed Minerals. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of these shades and swatch them for you guys, and then we'll jump into the makeup tutorial. Here we have Vanity, and these are loose eyeshadows so you can apply a little bit or build them up. Here is Desdemona. Here we have Royalty Reinvented. Here we have Spill the Tea. Here is Heavy Metal. Impulsive. Here is Invicta. Wow. Crimson Rose. Let's do a little bit more of that one. They sent over 2 highlighters. We have Hollywood Royalty and Diamonds and Pearls. Let's start with Diamonds and Pearls. And here is Hollywood Royalty. So pretty. This one is like a white silvery base with bluish greenish flakes. And then this one is like a golden base with like pinkish purple flakes. So pretty. And then they sent over a couple glitters. We have Champagne Wishes and Cosmic Bombshell. I am going to apply a little bit of glitter adhesive to my hand, because if not, then the glitter is just going to fall right off. So here is Champagne Wishes. Here is Cosmic Bombshell. So stunning. And there are all the swatches. Without further ado, let's jump into the makeup tutorial. Okay, so I was not filming. I thought I was filming and I was not filming. So what I'm starting out with is Vanity. And I just placed that right here, like so. And then I took some of Spill the Tea, which is that light sky blue, and just placed that right in here. Now that I've got you guys caught up, we can move on. So sorry about that. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with Desdemona, which is like just a darker blue, and I'm gonna deepen up right in my crease area. All right, now we're taking Impulsive, which is that beautiful purple, and I'm just gonna place that right in here. Then taking Crimson Rose and just blending that upwards. And then finishing off that area with Invicta, which is such a pretty orangey red shade. All right, so now we're gonna take Diamonds and Pearls, which is such a pretty shade. And I am just going to place that on my brow bone. Let's see here, what brush did I use? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. So pretty. Like, this light doesn't even do this justice. So gorgeous. All right, so now we're gonna take Heavy Metal, which is a beautiful silver, and I'm just going to place that towards the front of my lid area. Going back in with Impulsive and Crimson Rose, I'm just placing that next to Heavy Metal. And then to finish up this lid, I'm going in with Royalty Reinvented. All right, so right into the inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna put Hollywood Royalty. This is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And then on some of that inner corner on top of that silver, I'm gonna go in with Cosmic Bombshell Glitter. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that same color scheme that we put right in here, down here on my lower lash line area. All right, and now I'm taking Champagne Wishes glitter and just kind of applying that all down here. I'm also gonna go in with that other glitter that we used earlier, put a little bit down there. And here is the final makeup look. Well, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little makeup tutorial using Star Crushed Minerals. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.